Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe and where I think we could be head here because it has been an absolute bloodbath out there and it feels like everyone's gone. Everyone's lost all their money and now there's not a peep to be heard, not a mouse to hear squeak. Something like that. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we're going to start off on crypto Twitter. Follow me at 333Blacksea. I say sentiment check. Do you think we are loading up on a huge rally or is the bull market over? All I know is bull posting meme coins is a lot more fun than bear posting. Bear posting was fun for like 2 days and I wanted to be back to the good times when everyone was making money because a lot of people don't really short the market. A lot of people only just buy and hold, and that's absolutely fine. Everyone should find the best strategy that works out best for you. I like to trade. I like to invest, and right now I'm definitely the most profitable by doing high leverage short-term scalpings, in and out, shorting the pumps and longing. I'm really not longing that much, to be honest. I'm holding spot on some, but I'm doing a lot of shorting right now. But guys, you look at Pepe right now, and I said, you really don't want to see us bounce up here and test this yellow line, the bull market, basically like it's not a support band, but the overall super trend here that we've been basically holding for the past 2 years on Pepe. I said what you don't want to see if you're a short-term bull is a test of this. We were testing it yesterday in a breakdown. I said, if we see the breakdown, I expect us to come down here and test this level at 5064193, and that's exactly what is happening, exactly as I predicted. And I said I was looking for short opportunities at this level, and that's exactly what I did, making some money as it's coming down. And guys, I don't want to be a mega bear. I'm not a mega bear, and I know a lot of you guys get upset and say, oh, you're just pushing affiliate links and you're just shorting the market. That's all you want people to do. And guys, I'm just transparent here. And right now, what's working out best for me is I am shorting a lot of these altcoins. And I want to reiterate, I've been saying this, I'm trying to hammer this home. I am a Bitcoin investor and an altcoin trader, guys. And if you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, because I do expect this to further break down, but I will warn, there will be some relief coming very soon, but it's going to be temporary, in my opinion. I think we need to wait for this overarching macroeconomics to really digest this global trade war, and the traditional market needs to bounce before Bitcoin's going to bounce. And once Bitcoin bounces, that's when you're going to see Pepe bounce. But if you want to take advantage of this volatility, check out the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, as well as a $5.6 million prize pool for a trading competition. All you got to do is sign up using my link down below. You become a part of my team. And the more trading volume we do together, the more rewards we get, more of that prize pool. So feel free to check that out. That's been the best strategy that's been working out for me right now, is shorting these alts and basically taking the profits and buying the Bitcoin dip and buying equities. That's what I've been doing. We're looking at Pepe sitting at rank 32, up about 4.89% in the past 7 days, down about 3.34 in the past 24 hours. This is not a buy and hold market unless you are planning to buy and hold for maybe 6 months, maybe even 5 years. It's very tough to see how this overarching macroeconomics is going to play out. But in the short term, like I said, I'm trading. So we're looking at Pepe at $2.87 billion market cap. We are down from all-time highs, guys. We are down all the way. This purple line right here is when it was listed on Robinhood. Pretty uncanny to see that. We are down 77, nearly 78% from all-time highs. This is not common if we are still in a bull market to see this. This is not common. But I will also say, past cycle, guys, the past cycle, there was so much more free money. There's helicopter money going around. The interest rates were low. There's quantitative easing happening. All the stimulus in the market was juicing up the crypto space. So maybe we do see bigger sell-offs if we're just going through a somewhat of a mid-cycle mini bear market. That's possible. We'll take a look at that shortly. But you look at the overall market right now, we're trading at $81,500. Bitcoin dominance at 60.86%. Guys, Ethereum being below $1,900 is mind-boggling. If you are a ETH max and you've been buying and holding for the past 2 cycles, oh man, it's rough out there. It's rough out there to be an ETH maxi, but it's such a shame because to be bullish on altcoins, you need to be bullish on Ethereum. You need to see Ethereum make a big move above $3,000, in my opinion, to be in a more favorable market for altcoins, especially for the risk on assets like meme coins, like Pepe. So you should be rooting for ETH if you are a Pepe coin bull here. But like I said, Bitcoin dominance at 60.8%, excluding stablecoins, we're nearly at 63%. You can see we're starting to break down. We tested up here, but guys, listen, anything above 60%, I'm long Bitcoin dominance. The second we start to test this level here and break below it, that's when I would say, okay, guys, it's probably a good opportunity to long alts versus Bitcoin dominance. But right now, guys, we are at the top end here on BTC.D, and this can go higher, especially if Bitcoin spills over more, because the alts will take a beating more than Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame, we are seeing a green dot on Market Cipher indicating a potential bottom. But guys, the money flow is red. It is not starting to curve just yet. This sell-off is not a move that will just reverse V-shape in a day. It doesn't work like that, guys. You need to be, it is bled over into the higher term time frames. We're looking at the weekly. We have 3 days left on the weekly candle closure, okay? If we see a weekly candle closure below, I would say anywhere below 88,000, we probably are getting ready to test $73,000 Bitcoin. And I don't think that this move is over until we test the $73,000 level. Basically the breakout point of the previous consolidation that we were in for 280 days, I believe. Let's measure this out here. Yeah, about 238 days. At 238 days of sideways price action, we broke out of there. I do expect us to test this level here at about 73,000, especially if on the weekly candle closure the next 3 days is below 88K. And I think that based on probability here, guys, the only way we could see a V-shape is, even if we did see a V-shape, like the U.S. government, I keep using the example of the U.S. government coming out and saying, we're buying 1 million Bitcoin today. I still don't think that that would be enough to make it happen in a day. It's going to take time. You can't just reverse a weekly chart like this when it's coming to TA. TA is not all mumbo jumbo. A lot of it is, but it's not all. There is some truth to it. And when you see higher term time frames leading one way, it does not just turn around in a 1 minute candlestick. It takes time, guys. It takes time and volume, and it takes time for the order books to digest. I've been using that word a lot. Digest the price action. It takes some time. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I know I'm being a bear. I know. I'm being Black Sheep the bear. I know. But I'm just being transparent here. I want to tell you guys what's going on, what I'm seeing. I don't want to just always be a moon boy. And what's working for me is I am shorting these alts and I am buying Bitcoin. Taking profits out of my altcoin shorts, buying Bitcoin, buying the stock market. Because guys, if you look at the traditional market, we could be in for a potentially 180 day lull, a little mini bear market. We could see a little recessionary period. That would not be crazy. And the past couple weeks has been nothing but selling off in the traditional market. And that will keep crypto down, guys. Unfortunately, that's just the way the game works. Don't hate the player, hate the game. But that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.